Okay, hope by now that you really understand those sections and how to control them, and if not, let's go dive and understand those widgets, and I think it's gonna give you a better understanding of the Elementor page builder, because the same steps we gone through for the section, we're gonna go through them for the widgets, which we have the content tab instead of the layout tab for the section, and we have a style tab and advanced tab, which are almost pretty much the same. We're gonna choose our image, which you can link to other media file or custom URL, and here we have the style for our image. We can adjust its size from here, and we can adjust its opacity from here to make it transparent like that. I can make hover animation if we would like to make polls, for example. So when we hover, and also we can add borders to that same like sections. We have solid option. We can choose our color from here and make it that light blue, for example. And we can customize its opacity from here. And here we have the width of our borders, maybe 20 or even 10 or whatever you would like, or leave it as it is. We can add radius if we would like to, maybe 5 or maybe 10 to make it even more visible to our eyes. And we can add box shadow, same options like the section options. Let's make that one to 0 again, and we can make that one to be dotted, and we can make it none. And then we have the advanced tab or settings from here, where we can choose to change our padding settings like that. We're adding margin inside, as we can see. Let's get rid of that hover animation, and let's go back to our advanced settings. As you can see, we got 10 pixels inside. We can go and unlink that, make that 0 if we would like, and unlink that, and maybe just 10 from the top or even from the right. And then we have the margin, as you can see, 10 or even 100 if we would like, or even unlink that and add -1, -10 or -100 to make it even move a little bit, and override the gap between the columns by 150, for example, and so on. I'm gonna see that more in action while we're designing the website. Let's set that all back to 0, reset our parameters, and we have the entrance animation, which is same like our section. While we have the website being loaded, we can make that one to fade in down, for example, like that. Okay, and you can customize the animation duration from here. And then you have the background. Let's go try that one on the text to see the color background. For example, we have the text in here. Let's go to advanced. Let's go for background. We can add classic color and maybe add that light blue, and then we can go to element style again and start working on our padding. Maybe give it 10 like that to give ourselves a little space around our text. And that tab for the responsive we're gonna cover later when we're gonna talk how to make our website responsive. Hope by now you have a clearer understanding of that amazing page builder, and you're gonna get even more interested when we're gonna start building and designing our website in the next lessons.